Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my channel. Let's study agriculture together. As you know that this is a channel which is all about agriculture. So today I will be giving you an update on what is happening in today's news and update on about agriculture news. So what are we saying about today? We're saying there is an update that potato and tomato production is estimated to be down by 4 to 5% in 2021 to 2022. So what does this mean? This means the production of tomato and potato is reduced by 4 and 5% since 2021 to 2022. According to the Agriculture Ministry data, potato and tomato production is estimated to have declined by 4 to 5% during the crop yield that ended in July 2022. So what do you think about this? How is it going to affect farmers, or how is it going to benefit farmers? According to my own understanding, I think that if the production of tomato and potato is down, this means the price of tomato and potato is estimated to be high in the market. This is my own opinion. I don't know what you guys think about this. Please let me know what you think in the comment section down below. And if you have any advices to any farmers who are planting or who are producing potatoes and tomato, I would appreciate that in the comment section below. Thank you so much.